Let's talk about defending your commission. So how do you do it? Well, first of all, fearless agents don't defend their commission. They just charge what they charge. So what typically happens is at the end of the fearless agent listing presentation and then the pricing presentation, and then you're going through the contract, listing contract, and you're saying how much you charge. So let's say that's 7%. And they would say to me, well, Bob, we just talked to 2 other agents and they both charge 5%. And I would say, well, let me tell you something that I think we both know. If you wanted to do business with either of those 2 half-trained chimpanzees, I wouldn't be here right now, would I? And they go, yeah, that's right, we didn't like them. I go, okay, do you have any more questions? They said no. I go, okay, sign here. And that's how you don't defend your commission. By the way, if any of this makes sense to you, and you're earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, we're here to help you. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our videos, and I guarantee you this, those free videos will be better coaching than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. So go to fearlessagent.com today and let us make you a fearless agent. Thanks.